Hey there, how are you doing today? First of all, I'm so sorry for being late for 1 month. I was working on my PhD and I was doing on my studies and everything. But currently I'm back again. And just a surprise for an apology, all the content from now onwards is gonna be on Patreon for free. So please check out my Patreon. I know it looks a bit wishy-washy, but over the time I'm gonna make it look nice and beautiful and more structured. So let's get back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, it's just gonna be nice and simple, where we're gonna see how to attach a helmet. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. And please put a thumbs up on my video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm to pick up. Let's get started.
So as you can see in our today's tutorial, we are going to see how to equip an helmet in our head, and the character is having a helmet in his head. So let's get started. So this is the helmet which we are going to add to our character. So yeah, pretty much quite the similar size. We are having the helmet and it's going to go to his head. So the first thing, we need to export the mesh. This is going to be available in the project file for free, so please download the project file for free. From here forth, all the project files will be available in my Patreon absolutely for free, and yeah, including with the latest video and everything. So first few thing which I did was like, well, I have added this. I have also worked upon the size, and so yeah. Now before that, let's go to our third person character. Let's go to our blueprint. Let's go to our item. This one, item BP, we are going to create a child blueprint class, and we are going to name this as, so we will name this as steel, HELMET, steel helmet underscore BP. Let's open this. Obviously in the item mesh, we are gonna get the helmet, HEL. Oh, not this one. Sorry, not this. We'll get the, what's the name of our helmet? That's not the right one. We'll go to our asset. It's called gray helmet, sorry. So we'll go and type GREY. This is our helmet at the moment. We compile and save this. So now we are gonna get a picture out of it. So we are gonna go to our third person character, blueprint, and we'll go to our icon creator. We'll just change our icon from SWOT to gray helmet, GREY, gray helmet, and let's just, yeah, it's much better, this one. And yeah, so we'll compile and save this. Now this should also appear here. This icon render, we are going to create a static texture. We will name this as STEEL, steel helmet, HELMET, helmet underscore ICON. Can go to our icon here. We'll move it here so that so that we can have everything nice and clean. Just to make sure, go around to this and convert this one to 1 and this one to 0, so that we don't have any problem with it. And you can probably close this one. Now, as we have a helmet, we also need to go to our items DT, where we are going to add another thing called helmet. We will name this as steel helmet, steel helmet. So name is gonna be STEEL, steel helmet. Class, of course, steel helmet. Starting mesh, it's actually gray helmet. We can, yeah, I think you guys know what it is. Item icon, we have STEEL, steel helmet icon. And now let's change the item type to head. So let's compile and save it. Now we also need to make an enumerator so that we are able to change it in our this one, like you see this thing. So we need to go to our enumeration. Where is our enumeration? Which is item name. Like, yeah, this is the one, item name. We'll add another enumeration. We will name this as, by the way, we need to make sure the names are same. So whatever the name you're putting there needs to be here as well. We'll change this to like a steel helmet. Let's save it and let's play it. And let's see whether this is working or not. So now we have equipped it. And oh look, it is working. But not the best align, because I'll show you the reason why. So now we need to go to our BP third person character, go to our mannequin. So we put head, right? So head is, well, this is head. If we click on this, will come. So we don't need this one. We can, by the way, the name needs to be same, because where is it? Because it is attached, it is attached to our name head, so we need to keep the name same. We are going to create another socket. We will name this as head, HEAD, head. So now here is where this is gonna kind of go here. We'll add a preview asset here, HEL gray helmet, and not the size you were expecting, but we will work on the size. Maybe let's say 0.5 for now. I'm not sure. 0.5, 0.5. Oh, seems like it's too small. No good. Maybe let's try 8. 8. Yeah, it looks good now so far. I think so that will look much better if it's in the front and a bit on the top. Yeah, looks nice and cute. So you know what? I'm feeling a bit cheeky. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna like squeeze the helmet so that it fits in his head. Maybe this is, no, not that. No, it's actually, sorry. Maybe it's 7. And this is, yeah, that's also good. I will also reduce this to 7. Yeah, now it fits quite well on him. Let's compile and save this. So let's see whether this is working or not. Now let's add the helmet to our head. And yeah, it looks lovely on him, like perfection. Yeah. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope you like our video. It's a short one, but I'm back now and more tutorials will be coming. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check my Patreon out. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bless you. Bye-bye.